Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE, and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. Register for Stellar Talent Search exam for class 7 to 12. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco, and Porvorim.
10% of the charges of the waste scrap जो करपाचे ठरयल्ले. It is for the 10% is the GWMC, rest or we are depositing into the KT. ताज्या उपरांत transfer of land of the 2000 square meter to the village panchayat Bati, government land village panchayatik दिता आमी. Grant of ex post facto approval extension of services to Dr. Sushila Mendes, professor in the history for the government college on the superannuation. Of the approval of the sale of sale of the Dr. Tristão Braganza, Dr. Kunna Sports Complex at the Kasaulim.
Highest bidder.
For the highest bidder, H1 bidder. खूप वर्सां जाली बंद आशिल्ले स्पोर्ट्स कॉम्प्लेक्स वेगवेगळी शॉपां ते आमी लिजाक दिवच्या पेक्षा थंयसरल्या हायेस्ट H1 बिडर कोण येतलो पळय न्ही ताका लीज करतले. प्रिफरन्स इज गिविंग फॉर दॅट लोकल्स ऑल्सो फर्स्ट. इट इज एन अप्रुवल ऑफ द शेक गोवा स्टेट शेक पॉलिसी 2023 आज कॅबिनेटान अप्रूव केल्ली आसा. And there is a policy for for regulating the iron ore dump handling in the state of Goa. Dump policy and check policy दोन्ही आज जो आसा त्या कॅबिनेटान अप्रुवल दिल्ले आसा.